Titan has life-sustaining atmosphere, so extraterrestrials and life and aliens are sought. The prospect of finding life in the galaxy is becoming more real, besides Earth, that is. On one of Saturn's moons, Titan, an atmospheric condition has been observed that is perfect for life, but not as we know it here on Earth. Life on Earth is geared around water, and that's what scientists usually look for in their search for extraterrestrials, big or microscopic. The scientists at Cornell University instead realized that life-sustaining membrane based on methane is perfectly possible in their area of observation on Titan. These are images that we have from the Cassini spacecraft. Now, the environment in that area of the universe is stable enough to sustain the azotosome. It's a nitrogen, carbon, and hydrogen molecule that loves the freezing temperatures because its environment is methane rather than water. The images of such creation, it should exist, it would be the size of a virus. The team led by Dr. Paulette Clancy of Cornell University School of Chemical and Biomolecular Engineering modeled the azotosome. It's a new type of cell membrane composed of small organic nitrogen compounds capable of functioning in liquid methane at temperatures of minus 292 degrees Celsius. On our planet, life is based on the phospholipid biolayer membrane, the strong, permeable, water-based vessel that houses the organic matter of every cell. A vessel made of such a membrane is called a liposome. Thus, many scientists seek alien life in what's called the circumstellar habitable zone, the narrow band around the sun in which liquid water can exist. But if a cell were not based on water but on methane, which has much lower freezing point, the azotosome is made of nitrogen, carbon, hydrogen molecules known to exist in the cryogenic seas of Titan, but shows the same stability and flexibility that Earth's analogous liposome does. This came as a surprise to Dr. Clancy and her colleagues, who had never thought about the mechanics of cell stability before. They usually study semiconductors and not cells. They employed a molecular dynamics method that screened for candidate compounds from methane for self-assembly into membrane-like structures, and the most promising compound they found is azotosome based on acrylonitrile. It's a colorless, poisonous liquid or organic compound present in the atmosphere of Titan. The acrylonitrile azotosome showed good stability, a strong barrier to decomposition, and a flexibility similar to that of the phospholipid membranes here on Earth. Dr. Clancy and her colleagues published their results in the journal Science Advances, and they plan to demonstrate how these cells would behave in the methane environment. This is by Edmundo Bard on News Punch. Please leave your comments. Thank you for your support. Kindly support my Patreon account. The daily posts are 5 videos daily, and they are totally different from what I have on my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for your support and that you find all my content so interesting. You'll find the Patreon account details in the description box below.